Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log in to Supercell. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So to log into your Supercell, first you gotta go to the Supercell's website. Just go to your browser and type in Supercell. And the Supercell website should pop up. Just click on it to open its website. Once you're in Supercell's website, just find the ID option. It should be in the top right of the screen. Click on the ID and click on Claim. Now click on Login with Supercell. Now put in your email address that is linked with your Supercell ID in the text box and just click on Login. Now Supercell will send a verification code to the email address. Just go to the email address and get your code and put it in the text box. Once you put in your verification code, just click on Continue. And that's it. You have successfully logged in to your Supercell ID. Now if you have any question or run into any trouble, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.